Hello children, welcome to my social study class. I am Himakshi Surti from Sri Vasisht Vidyalaya presenting a social study video of class 4. Today my topic is agriculture in India. What is the meaning of agriculture? It means practice of growing crop. It plays a key role in the development of human civilization. Agriculture made the early human to live a settled life. India is an agricultural country. Agriculture provides food for people and raw material for industries. Crops like jute, cotton are the raw material for industries. About 17% of our total national income comes from agriculture. Let's see the type of crops. Farmers in India produce a variety of crops because India is having a favorable climatic condition, fertile soil, and it also receives adequate rainfall. The two types of crops are food crops and cash crops. Food crops are grown to feed the people. For example, rice, wheat, pulses, millets and maize are the main food crops grown in India. Food crops further divides into two parts, Kharif crop and Rabi crops. Kharif crops are the crops which are sown in rainy season. They are also known as monsoon crops. And Rabi crops are crops which are sown in winter season. They are also known as winter crop. Some of an example. Here some of our pictures are shown as an example. Rice, corn, soybean, sugarcane, groundnut, cotton are the example of Kharif crops. Wheat, oat, chickpea, mustard, almond, broccoli are the example of Rabi crops. Rice is a food crop. It is a staple food of people living in eastern and southern part of India. Staple food means a crops which can be easily stored and used throughout the year. It grows well in hot and humid climate with plenty of rainfall. The major rice producing states of India are West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. India is world's second largest country in rice producing after China. Wheat is also a food crop. India is one of the main wheat producing and consuming country of the world. Means the wheat is produced in a large scale in India and people of India maximum use wheat. It is the second most important food crop in India. The major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Millets are also a food crop. It includes jawar, bajra, ragi and these millet producing states in India are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu. Pulses are also a food crop. Pulses includes gram, moong, arhar, masoor and many other dal like chana dal, masoor dal, moong dal. They are grown in almost every part of India. Pulses are very rich in protein. Cash crop. Cash crops are those crops that are grown for commercial purpose. Means crops which are sold to earn profit. This cash crop helps farmer to earn money. Some important cash crops in India are sugarcane, jute, cotton and oilseeds. Some of the crops grown in India needs a special farm, that is called plantation, and the crops grown in plantation are called plantation crops. For example, tea, coffee and rubber are the main plantation crop in India. Jute is one of the most important natural fiber. It is called a golden fiber and it is also used to make sacks, carpets, ropes, etc. The main jute producing states are West Bengal, Assam, Bihar and Orissa. Cotton is called a king of fiber. Cotton is used to make cotton clothes. It grows very well in warm, sunny weather and drier areas. It requires a black and alluvial soil. Some cotton producing states in India are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and Punjab. Some of an oil seeds include mustard, groundnut, sesame and sunflower. The oil is extracted out of this and which are used for cooking. Oil seeds mostly grow well in warmer climate with moderate rainfall. Moderate means not very heavy rainfall, not very less rainfall. They are grown in different parts of the country. Here some of an example of oil seeds are shown. Groundnut, safflower, sunflower, soybean, linseed and many more. Tea is one of the major cash crop of our country. Tea is most popular beverage in India. It requires warm and wet climate. It is mostly grown in Assam, northern part of West Bengal and the Nilgiri hills in the south. Coffee is mostly grown in Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. What kind of climate is required for growing coffee? It requires cool weather and heavy rainfall. Sugarcane is also one of our important cash crop. It is used for making sugar and jaggery. It belongs to a grass family. India is world's largest producer of sugarcane. It is mainly grown in Uttar Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Spices. Without spices, our food will not be tasteful. Spices required to make our food very tasty. Spices includes pepper, chilies, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom. They are grown in Kerala and Karnataka. Beside the food crop and cash crop, India also produces a variety of fruits and vegetables also. And who grows all these things? Farmers. So here are the steps taken by the government for helping the farmers. Agriculture production has increased since independence due to the various steps taken by the government. Many multipurpose projects are introduced by the government to provide a water for irrigation. Farmers are being educated about the benefit of manure and fertilizer so that they can use this organic fertilizer in their field to grow a better quality crops. So students, we have learned all these topics. What we have, just to revise it quickly, almost 2/3 of India's population is engaged in agriculture. Two types of crops are produced in India: food crop and cash crop. Rice, wheat, millet and pulses are main food crops of India. India has the largest area for rice cultivation in the world. Sugarcane, jute, cotton and oilseeds are the major cash crop grown in India. Government provides a loan to a farmer to buy a modern agricultural tools. They can buy tools like tractor, threshers to use in their field. Government is also providing a better quality seeds so that at a cheaper rate, so that farmer can use these seeds to grow a best quality crops. Now let's learn about the map skill. In this map we are going to show the states producing the following crops. Here are the names of the crops given. Wheat is produced in Punjab. Pulses is produced in Madhya Pradesh. Jute is produced in Bihar. Cotton is produced in Gujarat. Millet is produced in Rajasthan. Coffee is produced in Tamil Nadu. Tea is produced in Assam. Rice is produced in Uttar Pradesh. Sugarcane is produced in Maharashtra and spices are produced in Karnataka. I hope students you have understood the different color and the name of the states where these crops are grown. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.